Welcome back to TV Gourmet, where I teach you how to eat right out the box. So today we got Banquet chicken nuggets with mac and cheese. Oh, since 1953. Probably how old this damn meal is. Banquet. Oh, and this comes with a chocolate brownie. 100% natural. Ooh, yeah. Right. Alright, so let's take a look at this 100% natural chicken breast. Nah, for real, nah. Okay, so let's see what they got for your boy today. Banquet. Oh no. Gonna make me wanna quit with these TV dinners. Oh, damn, they didn't come with no sauce. Oh, these look dry as hell. Oh my God. Sandpaper nuggets. Oh, this is a dry poker chip coaster. Stand by. Stand by for you, boy. Oh, this is dry as hell. Banquet, why didn't you give your boy no sauce? Why didn't you put no sauce on these chicken nuggets? Damn, boy. Poker the coaster. Had to add some. Oh, my whole mouth was drying up in there. My whole throat was closing up on you, boy. Mac and cheese is, well, mac and cheese. Tastes like that Kraft mac and cheese if you like that. Yeah. Damn, didn't even put a mark on that mug. What the heck? Oh my God. What the? That shit's a brick. What the hell? I can't even break the brick over the brownie. Your boy gonna have to skip the brownie, I think. Oh, try to. No, man, this brownie, this chocolate brownie, it don't want to move. Oh my God. This thing is hard as a rock. Look at that. Lord, the fork don't even want to go into it. Even the fork's denying this brownie anything. Boy, gonna have to barehanded. Boy's gonna have to raw dog this brownie. Oh God, I'm gonna break a toothus on this. Root canal for sure for you, boy. That ain't right. That ain't right. How the hell did it get so hard? That's a rough ass brownie. Let me tell you. Let's bang on one of these other chicken. Everything's all off-centered, trying to get that damn brownie out the tray. Ain't no way. Get the brownie out the tray. Yeah, nah. This dollar menu, the dollar store TV dinner banquet. It's 19. What the heck? I can't even see since 1953. When you gonna get your shit together? It's been like 60 years, boy. More than that. Your boy can't even do math. It's been a long time, let me tell you. It's been a long time, and you're still not doing it right, Banquet. Still not doing it right. Y'all's cheap. I'll give you that. Y'all's cheap. Like $2 for one of these mugs. Ugh. That's $2. Not well spent, let me tell you. Could have dollar menued on these mugs. $2 could have got you a double cheeseburger at McDonald's. Maybe, I don't know. But it's gotta be better than this. It's gotta be better than these rock hard cement brownies. Damn. These protect your ass from a nuclear war from 1953. No wonder they was afraid of that. They was like, Dad, just make some Banquet brownies. We be alright. Radiation ain't getting through that. No way, man. Woo! We survived those nuclear bombs with these Banquet brownies. Let me tell you. Whoo, boy. Yeah. Your boy passing on this Banquet. Your boy passing on this Banquet. So until next time, peace.